Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to open a Nickel account in Spain. You can either pre-register online and pick up your card at a nearby Nickel point, or go directly to a Nickel point and purchase it on the spot. To open your account online, click Open an Account and fill out the short form. It only takes about 5 minutes. Make sure to select Spain as your country. You'll then receive a 5-digit verification code by SMS and email. Next, visit a tobacconist or nickel point to buy your card for 25 euros. Once you activate your account and card with the retailer, you'll get your bank details. You'll also receive your PIN by SMS so you can start using your account immediately. And that's it. Now your Nickel account is ready to use for payments, online shopping, and more. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.